Most people think RV freedom is about the destinations you see on Instagram. After 20 years of living solo on the road, I can tell you that they're wrong. The real freedom isn't where you go, it's who you become when you get there. Forget the brochures and the dealership sales pitches. These are the truths you only learn when the pavement ends. The first question I always get is, don't you get lonely when you're out there? And the honest answer is no. There's a huge difference between being alone and being lonely. In the city, I was surrounded by people, but I was distracted, drowning in noise. Out here, there's a different kind of sound. Hum of the fridge, the wind in the pines, the sound of the waves crashing in the background here at the beach, the sound of my own thoughts. With that quiet comes clarity. Ideas I never had time for suddenly have room to grow. I can read a book for 3 hours straight. I can spend an afternoon troubleshooting a solar panel just because I'm curious. You don't lose connection out here. You find a much deeper one, with yourself. You'd think living in a 200 square foot box on wheels would make you soft. It does just the opposite. This lifestyle keeps me in motion. It's not a gym membership, it's just life. Climbing in and out of the rig, hauling water, hiking a mile up a hill just to catch a better sunset. Every day is a series of small functional movements that keep me strong. I eat better because I have to be intentional about my groceries. I sleep better with the windows open to the mountain air or the ocean breeze. This isn't about grinding it out. It's about building a life where health is a natural side effect, not the goal. Now, let's talk about the one thing that can mess with your head out here. That's losing your cell and internet signal. And I'm not talking about scrolling on TikTok. I'm talking about a lifeline. Weather alerts when a storm is rolling in. GPS when you're on a road that isn't on the map. A quick call to a family to say you're okay. So yes, losing connection is a real risk. Panic doesn't help, preparation does. My setup is built on redundancy. A Google phone number as a backup line, 2 internet hotspots, and Starlink, all for broadband. Also offline maps for the entire country. My security is layered with motion lights, reinforced locks, and cameras I can check from my phone, and of course my dog. Peace of mind isn't luck, it's something you build. I made a full video breaking down the security and connectivity setup that I use. The link is below in the description. Now, something will break. It's not a matter of if, but when. A water pump will die in 100-degree heat. A tire will go flat 50 miles from the nearest town. Your solar connection will just stop. In a normal life, that's a crisis. Out here, it's just Tuesday. The newbie panics, the veteran takes a deep breath, opens a toolbox, and gets to work. This lifestyle doesn't reward drama, it rewards patience and flexibility. The choice isn't, oh no, what do I do? It's okay. What's the solution? Every problem you solve on your own makes you more capable. And that feeling of self-reliance, that's more empowering than any destination. I see the look in people's eyes at gas stations. They say, man, I wish I could do that. They see the freedom, but that's not what they think. Freedom isn't just about not having a mortgage or an electric bill. It's waking up and deciding, my front yard will be a mountain today, and a desert tomorrow, and the next day maybe a beach. It's staying an extra week somewhere just because the weather is perfect, or leaving on a whim because I feel the pull of the new road. This life isn't about running from anything. It's about running toward a more intentional way of living. More focused, more capable, and more present. I'm not hiding from the world. I'm experiencing it on my own terms. And if you've ever stood somewhere and wondered, can I do this too? The fact that you're asking is half the answer. If this gave you one idea, please tap the subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And click over here for more no-fluff videos about RV life. And I'll see you down the road. Safe travels.